Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Creativity does not wait for the perfect moment. It fashions its own perfect moment out of ordinary ones. See, we are all creative in one or another way. And actually why I'm telling you this is my creativity is more into handmade craft works. So I thought let me share with you my handmade craft works at home. But unluckily I don't have making video of it, but I feel these small handmade works bring beauty to our homes, and it really gives me so much of joy in making it. So the same joy I'll get it when I'm sharing it with you. So let me get started. Yeah, this is the bottle art which I had made it for first time, and see, these are clay works only. I have painted black and given golden finish to it. After painting black color and rubbing it with the golden dust, you get this kind of antique look. And I've used mirrors, small mirrors, to enhance this beauty. Yeah, for making this I've used Rasgulla ka dabba. Probably if you see inside you'll get to know, right? You get that instant rasgulla, probably Haldiram's or something. That one I have used. And for this kind of texturing, this is the tissue paper. If you mix Fevicol with water and apply it on this tissue paper, it gets squeezed up and you get this kind of texturing. And for all this design I have used clay work, that is Fevicryl's molded clay. That one I have used, and I have painted colors on it using acrylic colors. And yeah, this is the same cap which you get with this dabba. And for this, to enhance its height, I've just probably I've given a cap inside and covered it with tissue paper and clay work. So it is strong and stiff with the mirror work on the top of it I have done. Hi friends, this is actually the clay pot. We had ordered vegetable biryani, and they gave us that vegetable biryani in this clay pot. And so that one I have colored it. I have just colored with golden color inside and outside with red and gold combination. And this is also the same clay work only I have done using the Fevicryl's clay. And I've colored it, but for this you can even varnish it. After varnishing it, you get that glow. I haven't varnished it, that is why of course glow is there, but still you will get more shiny look if you are varnishing it. So you can do that, right? See, this is how it looks. For making this, I have used medical crepe bands bottle. You can open this lid, and for making all this design I've used all the leftovers at home. In all our houses, all these kind of small things which waste products you'll be getting, right? Like buttons and beads. And this is one of my earring. I had lost this one earring I had lost, and the other earring which was left over, no, that I am using it. And see, this is the small key which was unused, and these are the buttons which was extra at home, which I can't fit it to other dresses. And these are the things it came out of my lehenga, so that was a small design. And this was from one of my mother-in-law's saree. And so that is how you just paste it. I just pasted it, and I have colored black, and I have given the golden I've rubbed golden powder dust to it so that it gives the brass look, antique look, to be frank. And the same thing I have done even on the cap. I have done this. Okay, this is the sauce bottle, ketchup bottle, which I have used. And inside this I've used potpourri. That is, you use it for the aroma at home, that I had extra, so I have used this. And this is normal jute rope which I have just tied it using Fevicol along with the mirror work. And this looks really beautiful when you decorate one corner of your house. See, this is how I decorate. keeping all this together in one tray, and I usually keep it below my TV stand. I'll show you that in some other video, but this is how I keep these things together and decorate. Okay, this is also one of the waste bottle which I got. In that I have created this. I have used tissue paper for the background, and I've just colored black color to it. And these are the clay with, it is raw, there is no color to it. I have not done any coloring or on top of the clay, but it is only the same clay which I have used, and have made this kind of design. But isn't this looks beautiful if you decorate one corner of your house? Yeah, for this bottle also I have used ketchup bottle to this, and I have decorated with the same clay work along with all this mirror finish, and I have painted black color on top of it. I have painted with golden color so that you get this kind of finishing. And actually I like these kind of antique look shades, so that all my created stuffs is of the same color, so that it matches with each other. This is a clay pot. Usually when you go to this tandoori tea shops and all, they give tea in this clay pot. So very small it is, this small it is. So this one I have this same thing, I have colored black color to it, and I've just done design with the clay, and varnished it. It is that very simple. This is again a sauce bottle, and I have just covered it with rope using Fevicol. And this is from one of my clothes. I had got this lace, and it was unused, so I thought I'll use in this, and this gave this kind of finishing. This is one of my favorite painting which I have done, and for this I have used canvas board, and for the front flower which you can see, I have used clay work. This is the clay work, and I have given that embossed look so that flower is popping out, and this is the same stroke painting which I've done. This is actually easiest. I have just bought the photo frame, and I took the printout of tea. Actually I like tea, that is why I took the printout of it, and I've just framed it. But this looks beautiful when you keep it on the dining table, or even in your kitchen workspace area, or somewhere in the kitchen, or you hang it on the kitchen wall. This gives the beautiful look to the kitchen, and that's what I feel, and that is how I use it in my house. I'll show you where I keep it once. But why I'm showing you all these pictures is, with the waste products which is useless, with that you can create such beautiful things. You can just decorate every nook and corner of your house with these beautiful your handmade stuffs, and whenever you see these products, you feel so happy that you have done it. And that is what I feel. I get so much of joy in seeing the products which I have made, and I feel very happy in creating these things. So you can try it. And one more thing, whenever I do the same or similar products, same kind of a design or something, definitely I'll shoot a video and post it so that all can go through it. Yeah friends, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please share and subscribe. And I forgot to tell one more thing, that there are more frames which I have made, so I'll be showing that in the next video. Bye.